nagbabalik po dito sa labas. Kasama pa rin po namin ang nag-iisang Gretchen Barreto.
Yes! Yes!
Okay. Gretchen, marami ang nagtatanong. Ikaw ba ay after Princess and I... You know, in the beginning, remember we were talking about Princess and I, we didn't know that it was going to be this big.
Oo, at hindi natin alam na ganito katagal ang pag-e-ere ng Princess
At ang
and I.
pagtangkilik ng sabay ng Pilipino, hindi ba?
Yes.
Wow, what a blessing.
What a blessing. Muntik na ako mag-give up talaga. Di ba, umiiyak ako sa'yo noon?
No, remember?
Yes.
That's why, you know, ang lesson doon is you really have to go for the long haul.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
Longevity.
And thank you, boy. Dahil ikaw yung nagsabi, sige lang, trust me,
That's
trust
true.
us, trust the management. And so, nagpapasalamat talaga ako. Dahil ang Princess and I, #1 pa rin. At extended po kami dahil hanggang February po, ipapalabas ang Princess and I.
Wow.
At hindi po patay si Ashley.
Magbabalik.
Gusto ko
Yes.
yan. Okay.
Okay, tanong mula kay Joka Gianni. Totoo bang may tinatago raw na non-showbiz girlfriend si Daniel Padilla? Ano ang reaksyon ni Catherine at ni Daniel? Ang sagot ni na Catherine at Daniel,
Yes.
agad-agad.
Hindi yan totoo. Hindi, wala talaga.
Bago yun ah. Masakit ba? Hindi
Fun, right?
Okay, we're just talking. Wala naman daw, no? Sabi ni Daniel.
Wala pa naman possible naman na may time pa tong si Daniel na magkaroon ng girlfriend.
That's true.
Diba? Outside of show business. Kasi, parati silang magkasama ni Catherine at sweet sila.
Parang action speaks louder than words. Yung mga reading between the lines, parang may something na talaga sila.
Hindi, saka wala sa pagkatao ng bata, ni Daniel.
Wala.
He's very honest, and devoted eh.
Uy, nakakasama mo sila sa set.
Oo, sweet nga sila. Sweet talaga sila. Tsaka makikita mo sa mata talaga ni Daniel, in love kay Catherine.
Si Catherine,
Oh, ganun
nagre-reciprocate.
Ganun sa
talaga.
oo,
So, lagi magkasama.
Nagtitwinkle-twinkle ng eyes.
Nagtitwinkle yung eyes, diba doon mo malalaman kahit sabihin nila,
Hi, the joys of being young.
oo,
Diba?
Baby
Sarap.
teens.
oo.
Oh, we're happy for them kasi they're the hottest love team of this generation and we're looking forward kasi magkaka-project sila
Right.
together.
Kakateleserye sila.
At Tony, hindi lang yan. Can you imagine, ang haba pa ng buhay, ang haba pa ng lalakbayin ni Daniel at saka ni Catherine. And we
Yes.
are excited.
For the journey of their love team.
And their
Samantala,
love life.
That's true.
true. Samantala,
On and off
ito
ka, no?
naman. On and off?
I mean, on and off ka. Ibig sabihin kasi, they're a love team. Pero ito yung classic na naman, di ba?
Paano sila magtinginan? Di ba makikita mo dyan? Nagtitinginan, hindi
Tumatagos.
nila alam nakikita ng camera. Di ba? Tumatagos.
Tumatagos.
That's right.
Exactly.
Ganun talaga pag
Okay.
may feeling.